Hi, I am Dr. Arjuman Yasmin, Ishwarya Fertility Center, Kukatpalli. Today I am going to talk about how to prevent infertility. First thing is that you have to modify your diet. That is lifestyle modification. That is, you have to modify your diet. There's no need of dieting. Diet can be taken in small portions and good healthy diet. Simple walking. No need of going to gym, but simple walking will be efficient daily. Avoid smoking and alcohol because it is detrimental to the eggs and even the embryos. Avoid stress. Stress is main factor. You have to avoid stress and have good sleep. At least daily 6 to 7 hours of good sleep is essential. So what are the treatment options for infertility? So infertility can be due to hormonal factor, tubal factor, uterine factor, cervical factor, sperm factor. So if it is due to hormonal factors, visit your gynecologist and it can be corrected. If it is due to ovulatory disorder like PCO, for that ovulation induction can be done, you can become pregnant. And if it is due to tubal factor, that can be done by a laparoscopy, so it can be corrected. And if it is due to endometriosis, that laparoscopy is a gold standard and it can also be corrected. So if it is due to uterine factor, suppose there is a polyp or say submucous fibroid, that also can be removed via hysteroscopy. If it is a cervical factor, it is due to cervical stenosis, that can also be corrected via hysteroscopy. If it is due to a male factor, then he has to visit an andrologist and take treatment accordingly. So with all these factors also, if the infertility is not corrected, and there is a best option is we have in vitro fertilization or test tube baby. In this we take the eggs of the lady and then we inject sperm into the eggs and prepare the embryo. Then later when we do endometrial preparation and later transfer the embryo into the uterus. So this is a good option which gives happiness to the couple and be blessed with the family. Thank you.